Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Posture wooden kneeler chair, assembly guide. Included in the box are Part A, 6 M6 12mm bolts. Part B, 4 M6 25mm bolts. Part C, 4 M6 40mm bolts. Part D, 4 casters. Part E, manual height adjuster. Part F, 1 internally threaded 90mm bar. Part G, 2 internally threaded 160mm bar. Part I, 1 flat spanner. Part J, 2 M6 Allen keys. Part 1, seat pad. Part 2, knee pad. Part 3, larger seat leg. Part 4, smaller knee leg. Before you begin, make sure you have identified the countersunk holes on the legs. When assembling the chair, make sure the countersunk holes are on the underside of the chair. Slide the smaller knee leg through the cutout in the larger seat leg like this, aligning the holes in the middle of the leg assembly. Insert one of the Part G 160mm internally threaded bars through the holes. Insert the M6 12mm Part A bolts into each end of the bar. Do not fully tighten the bolts until all the bolts in the chair are inserted. We recommend you use the Allen keys provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Next, fit the manual height adjuster, Part E, through the cutout like this. Align the holes in the bottom and insert the 90mm internally threaded bar, Part F, through the leg and secure with the Part A bolts. Now do the same at the top of the manual height adjuster using the other 160mm internally threaded bar, Part G, and secure with the Part A bolts. Next, place the seat pad underside up with the front of the pad facing the front of the chair and insert the M6 25mm Part B bolts. Attach the knee pad using the 4 M6 40mm Part C bolts, making sure the straight-shaped part of the pad is pointing to the front of the chair. Now you can tighten all loose bolts. Again, we recommend you use the Allen keys provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Make sure you use the 2 Allen keys when tightening the Part A bolts that are inserted into the threaded bars. To complete the chair, simply screw the 4 casters into position and gently tighten them up with the flat spanner provided. Please keep the Allen keys and spanner to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your posture wooden kneeler chair is complete. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace. Safety advice. Please make sure you only sit on the kneeler chair. Do not stand on the seat or sit on the knee pad.